This is just a quick informational on how to replace the battery on your BMW. This is out of a 2015 320. From what I understand, any of the key fobs that look like this are all the same. But you'll have to check your owner's manual to be sure. So all you have to do is just push down this button, get the key out, and then you'll see there's a little tab here. Not where the key goes in, but opposite side. And you can just stick a screwdriver in there, twist it, pops up, pop the battery out. It takes a DL2450 battery, 3-volt, got it right at CVS. Positive stays up. Then to put it together, just reverse the process. It's a little tricky for some reason getting it to pop back in. When you hear it snap in, you got to put some pressure on it. That's it. Pop the key back in. All done. Enjoy.